Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is, not in July yet. It's January 31st, 2023. And I wanted to show you all the little seedlings that we have growing here so far. We've planted over 300 seeds so far this month. We have all kinds of pansies. We have lettuce back there. We just turned the light out because I was in here and it's one of those pink and blue lights. And I have a link down in the description for it. And I just wanted the light off when I was in here because it's a pretty bright light. This is Cinerarium Cynico seedlings. I will have videos on my channel for how to sow that flower from seed. Let's see what else we got here. All kinds of beautiful pansies coming here. We have the fan running here to make sure we get that airflow going. Whole bunch more pansies. We have some marigolds. Different salvias. We have some, I believe it's pronounced Craspedia. We have our golden ball chrysanthemums. I don't see the, oh, here's some feverfews here. We have our wings everlastings, and we have some gomphrenias. I'm going for some early crops for in the greenhouse. There's a little spider there. We have some yarrow. This year yarrow flat was planted later, so this one here is just still starting to germinate. But because they had some seeds germinating in them, we took them off the floor. And there's some more yarrow back there. We have there, here we go. The verbena, I believe it's pronounced Bonassarius, I think. I'm going to have videos on my channel for how to grow that from seed. And then we have more pansies over here. I did just order more lights for my greenhouses because we were getting a lot of snow here in Pennsylvania this year. And we also bought more sticky traps because we've been using them to help deal with the white flies and different things. So I'll talk more about those in another video. You can see there's some sticky traps hanging down here, and you can see on the floor here there's more stuff down here germinating. My floor is heated. I have radiant heat in my greenhouse floors. So this is my germination mat, and then once the seeds start germinating, we move them up to the shelves under the lights. So I have like 3 flats of yarrow here, and some of the yarrow did start germinating.
Propped on top.
Yeah, they're propped on top of each other. So, oh, there's some lavender there. There's one right there. That soil looks dry. Is it moist? It looks dry. Go ahead and take the mister over it. Mist it. So we're getting this one here watered. It got really warm in the greenhouse today. The sun came out. So we're just making sure we keep the tops of this moist here. And lavender has an irregular germination rate, so what I might have to do is just take a little shovel and just kind of like take that one there out and put it into a little container of its own.
Is that okay?
And take it out, yeah. Yeah, you want to get this one here a little too. That one's a little dry.
You think it's dry?
Yeah, it has that light brown color to it. And you can see here's another little lavender seedling coming up. Let's see if I can find it in the camera. Where'd it go? Yeah, there it is. Okay, thank you. So we're just getting these misted here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take little shovels and we're going to dig them out. So, and put them in something different so the rest of them can continue to germinate there on the floor. So we're taking this one here out. We have a little shovel here. And we're just scooping it out very carefully.
You can see the roots in there already.
Yeah, you can see the roots already. And we're just going to stick it in this little container here with its seed starting mix. I'm going to firm it in there. And this is called pricking out your seedlings. And then the rest of the tray can continue to germinate on the floor there. There you go. And this is going to go on a shelf in the greenhouse under the lights. And this is a lady lavender here. We're just going to mist it a little.
Okay.
Yeah, you just want to pick it back up there. Yep, there you go. Yeah, it'll pull around. The light will pull it around.
Okay.
See, here's another one here. This is a different lavender here. We're taking this one here out, transplanting it into this little home here. And this is going to prevent tall, spindly growth on the lavender seedlings. And it's going to allow for the rest of my flats there to continue to germinate on the floor. Which one's that one there? Does that one have a tag? And here's the other little lady lavender there. And these were misted over. I'm also growing the Munster lavender. And I'm growing an English lavender. Okay, so we have more of the verbena coming up. So that's going to come out. We're going to take those out.
These little teeny ones?
Yep, yep, the little teeny ones there. We want to take them out.
Listen.
Yep.
Good. These
Yeah,
two
yep,
here,
yep,
let
they're
them
coming
in
up.
for the other two.
Nope, they're coming up. We want to take them out too.
Okay. Hold on.
And back here is a brand new flat that was just taken off the floor of little yarrow seedlings. We have the summer berries, and then we have more of the cloth of gold yellow. These get to get moved now up to the shelves because we don't want tall, spindly seedlings. So we just want to get them up as soon as they start coming up and get them under our lights here. So I hope you enjoyed the little tour here of the greenhouse and of what we have going on in here, how we take our seeds off the floor, how we germinate them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching and have a nice day. Bye!